Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Squarespace for brand website styling easy tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Squarespace website. Click on the Get Started button located on the home page. You'll be prompted to choose a template. Browse the available templates and select one that suits your brand style. Click on Start with Template Name to proceed. You'll be taken to a page where you can customize your chosen template. Begin entering your website's name in the provided field. Fill out the necessary information as prompted. Once you're ready, click Continue to move to the next step. You'll see options to choose a pricing plan. Select the plan that best fits your needs. Review the features included with your chosen plan. Click Start a free trial if you're looking to explore before committing. If you prefer to buy now, fill in your payment information directly. Follow the prompts to create your account. Check your email for an account verification message. Click the verification link in the email to confirm your account. Return to the Squarespace dashboard. Begin customizing your website with the tools available. Add your brand elements, such as logo and color scheme. Include essential pages like About, Services, and Contact. Preview your changes to see how they look. Make any adjustments necessary to ensure your website matches your vision. Finally, click on Publish to make your website live when you're satisfied. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.